What's up guys, KG, Rough to Be Buff TV. We are back with another exercise tutorial today. So we're talking about the pecs and chest and hypertrophy. So if you guys are looking to grow your chest or develop your chest, you guys found the right video today. First thing we're taking a look at is a flat dumbbell bench press, chest press. Elbow position is crucial here. We want to make sure that we're not flaring the elbows too wide and excessively stressing the shoulders. We don't want to tuck too tight to where it becomes just a tricep press, but somewhere in between, and making sure that the shoulders are in a good position to press by squeezing your upper back together, keeping your scapula basically back and down, or pressing your back into the bench as best as possible. I try to avoid clicking the dumbbells. I think that's kind of a bad habit. It uses a little bit too much momentum, and we also lose tension on the pecs when the dumbbells are too close together at the top of the lift. So keeping them just outside the shoulders is crucial, I think, for hypertrophy and for basically getting the pecs to activate as best as possible. And it's good to alternate your reps, do them together. Alternating definitely adds some isometrics to the exercise to where you're gonna have to hold that squeeze. The setup for the cable fly and the crush press is kind of tricky. The alignment of the bench needs to be in the proper place so that when you're laying back, the bottom cables or the exit of the cable should line somewhere up with like the midline of your chest, maybe the bottom of your chest. Everybody's different, so find what's most comfortable for yourself, but you definitely don't want the bench to be too high or too low. So you may have to tinker with this movement a little bit. And also, I'm not loading crazy heavy here, so it's only about 35 pounds per arm. The cables stay close to my torso as I lie back, so if you guys have a hard time setting up for this, just pay close attention to the finer details. This is the crush press. I'm keeping my knuckles together. My hands are just pushing straight out, and I'm keeping my elbows down and close to the body, straight out and squeezing through my pecs. This is a guaranteed chest activator. If you have a hard time activating your pecs, this is a guaranteed chest activator. Right into Pec Flies here. I always like a nice big healthy stretch as long as my shoulders feel okay. If we're loading too heavy or we have our shoulders in a bad position, are probably going to have some shoulder pain, probably going to have a bad time. So this is the Pec Fly here. As always, every rep is your best rep. I say it every single day. Treat every rep with the most detail as possible. When you're rushing and you're not accentuating your squeeze, you're definitely cutting your gains shorter if hypertrophy or building muscle is the goal. The last exercise is a fan favorite. This is a plate press. Some of you guys, I started doing these with 10 pounds when I first started doing these, and that was literally maybe, I don't know, 3 years ago or so I started doing these plate presses. I'm using a 35. I've used the heaviest of a 45. Most of my clients, most of my regular people use somewhere between a 25, a 10, and a 35. Squish that plate together like it's an ice cream sandwich. You're trying to squish all the ice cream out of the middle. So press your hands together, get your fingers really wide. And as always, mind to muscle connection is a very, very real thing. So hopefully you guys found this tutorial helpful. This is KG, it's Rough to Be Buff TV. If you guys found the video useful, drop a like, drop a comment, try it out, come back and leave a comment and let me know how you guys liked it. Thank you for tuning in once again, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.